Everyone, so iMoon.com sent me this wax seal stamp right here. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's this beautiful deer and a snowflake. So I did a first little experiment right here where I tried to put glitter into the wax and I didn't like it because I lose the image. So then I tried again, but then I put way too much glitter and I still lost the image in there. So then I did just a plain one, and this one I love how it turned out. You can see all the little details of the deer and the snowflake. So we are going to go ahead and do this again. So you can actually buy a stand to hold your spoon, or you could just hold it the way that I am, and you're just going to hold it over your flame until all the wax melts in there. Now I'm going to try another experiment. I have this eye pin right here, and I want to see if I can turn this into a charm. So I've never done this before. I'm not sure if it's going to work. It might be a fail, like the glitter over there. We'll just have to see. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this out over the eye pin. And we're going to go ahead and stamp that down. And we'll see what happens there. I want to do another one. I liked the whole swirl effect. I think I'm going to really like that. So let's do another one, just plain. So I'm going to throw a blue and 2 white. I find when I do wax seals, I need 3 pieces, but I guess it kind of depends on how big your wax is. So these are the ones that I have, and I find that I need 3. So I'm putting 2 white and 1 blue in there to go ahead and melt. And let's see. I did pull out this gold flakes, but I'm not sure if we're going to be able to see it or if it's going to kind of wash everything out like the glitter did. So today is just playing and experimentation day, and we're just going to kind of wing it and see what happens. So let me have this melt down, and then I'll be right back with you guys to share. Okay, the wax is all melted down, so I'm going to go ahead and place it on my mat right there. We're going to remove it off of this wax seal. And we're going to go ahead and stamp that one down. So let's see. Oh, see, I like how this came out. Okay. Epic fail on my part. I put this stamp on the wrong way. So this is the top, and I did not place it in the correct spot. So that was my fault, but I think that it was a good idea. I think that this is actually going to work if I would have just placed the stamp down correctly. So we're going to redo this. I'm going to see if I can pull the pin out so that way I can still use this wax seal because I think it's pretty. Okay, I'm going to have to work on that, or I'll just snip it off. I think that's what I'm going to do. Nobody will be able to even tell. So I'm going to snip that off. And then there I have a wax seal that I could go ahead and put on a project. So when I put these on a project, I just use like a thick glue like my Fabri-Tac or some kind of like beacon glue. So I could go ahead and put these on, you know, like a tag or something else. Or you could stamp these directly onto your paper. It's just up to you. So I really want to try and do that head pin because I think it will work. So let's go ahead and drop another white and blue in here. Let's go ahead and melt that down. And then I need to grab another head pin from over here. Not a head pin, an eye pin. So we're going to put that on the mat right there. Okay, so we got this right here. So yeah, we're going to go for the swirly effect. I really like that little swirly effect. So that's what that one looks like. This is the plain one, which still looks great, which we're going to color this in. I'll show you that in a minute. And then this was trying to do with glitter, and I think the glitter was just, it wasn't a fail. It just didn't work. because you lose all the details. Maybe if I paint it. Oh, okay, let's try that too. So let's see if we can salvage the two that I don't like. So we'll do that next, right after this. So, okay, let me get this wax to melt down and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so this is all melted down. So we're going to go ahead and pour this on our eye pin again. I'm going to take the stamp off of here and stamp it down over here. And we're going to let that set up. So I want to paint these now. So we're going to be done with our flame. So we're going to put that out. Here's our last little swirly one. See, I missed part of it down here. That was my fault. It'd be better if you're working on like a flat surface. So the way my setup is I film on the floor. So I have a shelf in front of me and that's where this clips in to the shelf. And then that's what holds my phone, the camera to record. So I think it'd be better if I would have done this on a flat, harder surface like a tabletop. I think I would have got better stamped images. So I think this is my fault here, because when I do them on the table, they come out great. I could show you some other examples that I did up on a table. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint this. So this is just a metallic marker. And I'm going to see if we could get these details to really pop and shine. Oh yeah, look. Oh my gosh, this is instantly turning amazing. So you could really, really see all these details with a marker. And you could use any kind of like paint marker, or if you have a metallic marker, any kind of permanent marker, those will all work on here. But I personally like using metallic markers on my wax stamps because I just think it's beautiful. So we're just going to go in and just rub our marker over all the edge on this image right here. Oh my gosh, this looks great. I don't even mind that the bottom is missing. Look at that. You could definitely put this on a card, and I think I'm going to put like a little flower or something over it to kind of just hide my mistake. But honestly, I don't think there's any mistakes in wax stamps because that's what kind of makes it authentic. Like, you know that this was, you know, homemade, made by hand, not a store-bought perfect little item. So I like the little imperfections of it. Oh my gosh, look, I think I'm going to be able to save these glitter ones that I didn't like at first. Oh yeah, look at that. I love it already. Just that little bit of marker makes it all so pop. There we go. Okay, I like the glitter. I'm in. Glitter for the win. I am in for the glitter. Look at that. I did not like it at first because I lost the image, but now it's back with just adding a little bit of that metallic marker. That looks great. I like it. Let's color in the next one. Let's see how good this one does. Because this one, like, you really can't see any of it. Look. It's like, you know when you were a kid and you would, like, lay your paper and get a crayon and, you know, do, like, an etching of writing? That's what this reminds me of. Oh my gosh, I'm having too much fun with this right now. This is, like, making me so happy that it worked. Anytime I think I've messed something up and it's been a fail, I end up finding a way to go ahead and save it and make it work. And this is just another example that anytime you think something is trash or an epic fail, figure out how to cover it and fix it. And I feel like that's what I just did. I feel like we just fixed these wax seals. I was so sad that it didn't work out the way I had intended to, but now I am absolutely loving it because there is my image. That's what I was sad about. I was sad that I lost the whole stamp image because it drowned in the glitter, but look, there he is. He is back and absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, so in love. So let's do another color. I think I have gold. So let's try gold on this one. So I mean, this one looks great. It's just white. I got a little bit of glitter right here because I was playing with the glitter first, but that is okay. So let's go ahead and color this one in. You know what? I think I like the silver on this wax stamp better. Let's just go ahead and color this all in. There we go. Look at that pop. You can really see the snowflake and the little deer. So cute. Okay, let's check out how this one worked right here with the head pin in there. Did I lose the head pin? Did it drown? Oh, I just ripped that off. This one's still really hot. Let's see. There it goes. There it goes. I should have pulled it from the top. Okay. It worked, you guys. It absolutely did work. Wow. Oh, and I forgot to make sure I lined it up again. See, this is my fault. I need to make sure that when I put my stamp that I'm lining it up properly. So that was my fault. I did not line it up. So the deer is a little bit off, but that's because I didn't check the bottom before I put it down. Oh my gosh, this is going to be amazing. Oh my gosh. This silver with this stamp is just everything to me right now. Yep. That is too cute. I think it's because I just like silver and white and blue for like Christmas and winter. So I think that's why this is just speaking my language right now. It is just amazing. Yep. Absolutely love. And it worked. It kept my pin in there. You can see this is just some soot from the bottom of this. You see how dirty that gets? So that's not a problem, because we're not going to see that anyways. But look, it definitely did embed the pin and hold that. And that's exactly what I want to see. Oh, and I just painted this and I stuck my fingers in it. Don't do that. Wait for your paint to dry. Don't stick your fingers in it as soon as you paint it. Oh gosh, what a dork. But yes, oh my gosh, I love it. So here are little pieces. This is not colored. This one is colored in gold. And then here are the experiment ones with the glitter that I think are actually good and salvageable now, because now I can see that image. Then here is just that other silver one. So these are super cute. I absolutely love the stamp. Definitely going to go ahead and make some more, and definitely make some more of these. How cute would that be to be the centerpiece of like a little bead dangle? That'd be so cute. So definitely call this a win. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a wonderful day. If you guys have any questions about wax or these seals or anything like that, go ahead and leave it down in the comments and I'll be happy to help you guys. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you later. Bye.